Demonstration, I'm going to be showing everybody how to download the FairCom MQ product on a Linux machine. The first step is to go to the faircom.com website. Once you're at the main landing page, you're going to hover over the Downloads tab and click whichever product you'd like to download. Currently today, we're going to download FairCom MQ. Once we're at the Download FairCom MQ landing page, you're going to fill in the pre-desired information and click Download Now. I've already done that. And that's going to bring us over to the FairCom MQ product page, where we can download different FairCom MQ packages based on what operating system and what machine we're running. Currently, I'm running a Linux ARM64, and I have already downloaded that for this demonstration. However, you'll click this, download it, and stick it in whatever folder you deem desirable. Once we've done that, we should see this folder right here called FairCom MQ. We're going to navigate inside of this folder and inside the server folder. Once we're here, there are several ways to get the FairCom MQ up and running. However, I find it the easiest to run the FairCom executable. Once we have that running, we have the demo edition running currently. We can go to, once again, our favorite web browser. And we can go to our local host at 48443. And we're going to continue past our security. And then we can see our FairCom user experience right here. So, and just like that, you have your FairCom MQ server up and running on your machine. Thank you.